Now, continuing with the working, we need to take the product of each value of x bar with its associated frequency. Multiplying each value of x bar with its associated probability, the very first value would be 8.1, 8.25, 8.4. This is 17.0. Then this is 8.35, then 8.6, then 8.65, then 8.75, and then 8.9. And when we take the sum, we get it at equal to 85. And this is what we have come up with. If we refer this value of x bar that we call the mean of the sample means, or we denote it with mu of x bar, we can see that it is exactly equal to the population mean that we have computed in part A of the question. So both are equal. Now to get the variance computed, what we need to do, we need to multiply each value of x bar squared with its associated probability.